It's spring in the Western Hemisphere, and it's so fun and exciting to see all the dormant plants and trees starting to come back to life. There's greenery and color everywhere, and as a watercolor painter, it makes me just want to go and get my paints out to capture it all. If you're looking for some fun and easy projects or just an excuse to get your watercolor paints out, join me for a relaxing, no pressure spring watercolor challenge over the next few weeks. I'm going to start week 1 with painting some leaves and desert botanicals. It helps me warm up because these shapes are so simple and easy to paint. During week 2, I'll start painting some flowers and blooms. I'm going to focus on desert blooms because it's fun to paint the flowers that grow here natively, but you can paint flowers growing in your area or someplace you're inspired by. Week 3, I plan to paint some flowered bouquets. That means I can take some of the leaves and flowers I've practiced with already and turn them into some lovely arrangements. You can put your flower bouquets in vases, tie ribbons around them, wrap them in paper, or do them any way you like. Then for week 4, I'll paint some flower landscapes and or flower fields. This is nice because I get to capture flowers in their natural habitat and add some other elements along with them. This is a schedule I'll be on during the spring challenge, but you can feel free to be creative and paint what inspires you most when you want to. And if you can't paint this much, paint what you can because any practice you get is good practice. Of course, the more you paint, the better you'll get at watercolor painting. However, don't stress. The less pressure you put on yourself, the more you'll enjoy the process. And that's a huge win. I'm kicking this challenge off by painting some very simple leaf shapes. It was really relaxing and fun to paint this, and it took me less than 10 minutes. I did this by painting with very light pressure on my brush to form a taper in the front, and then pressing my brush down to thicken the stroke, and then lifting my brush back up again at the end for another taper. For most of these, I added another brush stroke on the side to make the leaf shape even wider. Sometimes a quick and easy painting like this could be just what you need to start the ideas flowing for your next paintings. I also painted some desert botanicals, which come in an array of greens. My favorite are the blue greens because they give off that cactus or succulent vibe. I painted some yucca plants, and there are so many varieties, but they all share a common trait. These long, spiky leaves that are easy to capture with a skinny round brush or a detail brush. What will you choose to paint for your spring challenge paintings? You're free to paint along with me and my projects, or you can come up with your own subject matter. You can even do a combination of both if you just need a little kickstart to get going. I can't wait to see your projects in our private watercolor Facebook group. This is where I share all the latest news about what classes or tutorials I have going on, and it's filled with the nicest, sweetest artists from all over the world. I've put a link for you in the description to join us, and don't forget to answer the membership questions, primarily that you'll agree to just be as kind and courteous as everyone else in the group, and I'll let you in within a day or two. You are welcome to post your projects for feedback or encouragement, see what everyone else is painting, and you might even make some arty friends inside. As a side note, if you're an artist who wants to do more with your artwork or just get to know yourself better as an artist, I have a new free training that's less than 10 minutes long. I walk you through how to identify your unique artist traits, learn your art style, and develop words and phrases to describe yourself and your artwork more accurately. Once you learn this, you'll be able to do so much more with your artwork, like write a better artist bio or about page, know the best things to paint next for your style, what colors to use, and so much more. After watching this free training, I hope your creative dreams that seem impossible right now won't look quite so intimidating. I've also included the link for the free training in the description. And if you've enjoyed this video, I would so appreciate a like, subscribe to this channel for more content like this, and tap the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos as they come out. And I'll see you right here next time.